Oh, the Maverick is tired. I am weak. I am worn. I have a response this evening to this latest case of ineptitude by the JFF leadership. A simple inability to dot some I's and cross some T's. To do something as unsophisticated and uncomplicated as properly submit a protest to FIFA and pay a little fee. Such man number for JFF get that wrong. And since we're in the introspection mood after the World Cup debacle, savor the breath and stop asking Mike Ricketts and Dalton Wint and the JFF leadership to resign, because them now go resign. And me and you cannot make them resign. And the people who can actually force them to resign have no such design. And with their sickening and shameless incompetence, helping to cause the government and private sector alike to scorn them and the national team in a World Cup campaign, and them still not going nowhere. I'm going to do my next best. Yes. Mr. Ricketts and Mr. Wint, pay attention. Pay attention. This is how you dot I and cross T. See that? This is how you dot the I. Yes, yes, yes. And this is how you cross the T. Yes, yes, yes. Look again, Mr. Ricketts, especially you, Mr. Wint. You dot the I. Yes, yes. And then you cross the T. See that? It. You see it, Mr. Wint, you see it.